share a box of crayons, each of us unique. But when we get together, the picture is complete. So today we will learn Scratch programming. Before learning this video, please learn previous parts of this video. Scratch programming presented by
Rupali Banerjee and
Dhriti Banerjee. From which action we will start our programming for today?
today we will learn how to repeat the execution of a set of blocks.
Repeat means do something again or more than once.
Yes, see repeating steps. Blocks in the control category here allows us to perform various actions such as repeat the execution of a set of blocks and check for conditions before execution. Let us first learn about the blocks that repeat the instructions. Forever block. The forever block runs the blocks inside it over and over again. So this is our forever block. So what we have to do, Momo?
First, drag the forever block from the blocks palette to the script area. It is C-shaped block. It can contain blocks within it. Second, drag and drop the move block inside the forever block. Third, drag and drop the turn block inside the forever block such that it is placed below the move block.
Click on the block stack. Notice that the sprite repeats the movement and turning actions.
Wow, it is rotating. How we can stop?
To stop the script from running, click on the stop button on the top of the stage. Here,
Okay, now I understood.
we will learn another block that is repeat block. So what is repeat block, Momo?
This block runs the blocks inside it a specified number of times. What are you doing, mom?
Wait and see it carefully.
Okay.
So, how many times sprite goes up and down?
Only 3 times.
So, when the block stack is executed,
Wow, the sprite is jumping.
so Momo, what is the utility of using wait block here?
This block makes the sprite wait for a specified number of seconds and then continue with the next block. Sometimes it is important to use this block, otherwise, the movements occur so fast that they cannot be properly noticed.
Very good.
If you like this video, please hit the like button, share this video, and please subscribe our channel. Okay, thank you and bye for now.